Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons, which I hope you will check out at all book retailers. Hey, today I want to show you a fun and easy character to draw. It's going to be a cute little rabbit character. We're going to start with the most simple of shapes, which is the oval. It's actually simpler than a circle because an oval doesn't have to look perfect. It can be kind of sloppy, whereas a circle you tend to think you've done it wrong if it's not perfectly round. Okay, we'll do it like this with pencil, and then I'll go over it a little darker when it's in place. So here is the center line. Kind of go down the center of the whole thing, keep it even. Keeping things symmetrical is important in cartoons. Here's the eye line. This is the eye is going to go very low down on the oval head. And we'll have a bridge of the nose that we'll just draw right here. Nice and easy like that. A small little button nose for this rabbit. Now put two eyes, spaced far apart, so it's a little more appealing. If they're close, they're kind of goofy. And he is, well, he's a little goofy, but he's also just a fun little appealing rabbit character. Eyebrows toward the inside of the head. Cute little mouth here with a little split lip coming down this way. Bringing cheeks up close to the eyes. Here is the buck teeth, that's where they go. Now we're going to start to experiment with the outside, the shape of the head. This was just our starting point. So we're going to erase the sides a little bit, like so. And we're going to bring out the cheeks here, like this. See on this side also, bring out the cheek and bring it down here. That'll be the neck. Right in here. Makes them look a little goofier, right? So we'll bring the ear this way, and then we're going to go straight on top like this. Flop it over. This would actually should be able to meet the other corner. That's how you look at the proportions for it. And here's the interior right here. And the same thing over here. Flop it over. We'll even overlap the head with this one, okay? We'll overlap the head. And this goes here. A little hair on top. And we'll kind of carve this out a little more over this way, and now I will use my marker and we will finish this one up. It always makes me nervous to do the eye. Gotta get that just right, but it comes out, which is great. And there we go. A little bit of nerves. It's good to have a little bit of nervousness. Too much confidence is no good. Always be on your game a little bit. Cute little smile here. And remember, it meets down here right at the center of the nose. This cheek comes out. And the cheek comes out here. The neck kind of turns into the chest. It's kind of fun. A little darkness over here, a little shading, and a couple of whiskers. Bushy hair on top. See how this would go right over here? That's how we learn to do that. Overlapping. As it's coming down, it's getting wider. It's kind of dripping out. And we'll do the same thing here, except we won't overlap this time, for variety. And we'll fill this in, make that look like an interior. And a tooth, a marking between the two. Okay, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. I have a lot more characters to show you and to share with you and hopefully guide you along so you can draw them yourself. So please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.